What's up guys, today we're taking a look at this 2021 Honda Civic Type R. This is the last year of this generation. As of right now, we're still waiting on what the next generation is going to look like in 2022. We've got these nice aggressive Type R badges down here with the big red Honda logo, carbon fiber trim down there. It's just a pattern, not real carbon fiber, but it still looks nice. Fog lights, full LEDs. Got the big Brembo brakes on these 20-inch wheels. This is on Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, which are great summer performance tires. It comes with Continental Contact Sport 6s in stock form. Got these vents up here in the front. More of this carbon fiber across here. The lights back here. More of this carbon fiber stuff and the triple exhaust. The Type R badge and the big wing, of course, which Honda says is a functional wing. We got the second wing down here, which is nice. Up the trunk, got plenty of room. We got a 60-40 split back here. It is a hatchback, so it is practical. We got tons and tons of space back here. Just cover 2-liter turbo here. I took a look at the Accord Sport 2.0 the other day, and this is the same engine, the bigger turbo, and it's tuned for 306 horsepower. Up at 6,500, 295 pound-feet of torque at 2,500 RPM. It's nice we got this keyless open here. Hopping into the back seat, got lots of room. There's carbon fiber stuff here. Cloth seats in the back, Alcantara in the front, cup holders, plenty of headroom. Speakers here, little pocket, hard plastic, no, you don't get the carpet in there, but that's fine. And up front, you get the hard plastic again. And here, a little bit of suede, more hard plastic, plastic up here, soft plastic, carbon fiber across, soft plastic there. Do have the safety features, traction control, lane keep assist, front collision warning. Start it up. The 3 pedals, of course. We're in manual seats. This Alcantara suede, nicely bolstered. Very aggressive Type R logos here. Venting. You see you get the red straps, which is nice. There, cup holders with some hidden storage underneath. Electronic parking brake, not my favorite, but it's alright. You got your different modes, comfort, Sport, and R Plus, or Plus R, sorry, which adjusts your steering feel and your throttle response and everything, and definitely keep it in sport mode most of the time. Plus R is pretty nice, but sport mode is a solid daily commute with some windy roads. You do have these, you get your build number here too, Type R badge in here. The shifter is one of the best ones out there. It feels so nice and notchy, right all the way over here and down. Gives you your backup camera, the different views. The home screen standard kind of Civic controls here. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, of course. You got your information across here. Looks exactly like the Civic, pretty much, with your oil temperature and your tach there, speedometer, fuel gauge. You can go through your information here. This does have navigation, G-force, turbo, check your pressure and stuff, your performance monitor and all that, which is really pretty nice. Stopwatch, which is cool. Bluetooth settings, cruise control there. Let's go ahead and take it for a little drive. So it is front wheel drive, of course, but Honda's done a lot to get rid of the torque steer. There's actually an engineering explained video on that. Jason Fensky talks about what they did to actually get rid of some of the torque steer, which is pretty interesting because it is front wheel drive, so you expect a lot of torque steer. Already it feels way sportier than a regular Civic. The clutch pedal feels really nice. It's moderate, not super heavy, not super light, but it feels pretty good. The suede steering wheel feels great. You know, I commented on that in the ZL1 video. It just has no problems putting power down. It helps that we're on these PS4s. Like I mentioned, we got the LSD. And we're just in comfort mode here too. Let's put it up into sport mode. It does have the automatic rev matching, which it won't do under 2,000 RPM. It won't do if you're going into first, but otherwise it will do. I'm not sure if there's a way to turn that off. It'd be kind of nice to be able to do it yourself. You know, a lot of people drive manual because you want to do it yourself, but let's see how it does going into this corner. Yeah, you can hear it. Yeah, you can hear that rev matching kick in. It does a good job, you know. It'd just be nice to be able to do it myself, but no big deal there. It just feels really competent. You think high power front wheel drive, you get torque steer, but it feels really good. No problems. I would leave it in sport mode all the time. I'm sure that kills the fuel economy a little bit. Your fuel economy, you got 22 city, the 28 highway, which is actually pretty good. I mean, that's like you can commute in this. You can go on road trips in this, especially since these seats are super comfortable. I could sit here for a while. They're a little bit on the stiff side. They're bolstered just perfectly, and the suede is nice. It feels pretty soft. Your visibility is good, even with that big wing in the back. It really doesn't get in the way. I mean, after all, it is a Civic. You know, it's based on a platform that's supposed to be good for a commuter. It's supposed to be nice and comfortable. They just kind of beasted it out and made it into this kind of monster here. Let's put it into R plus and see how we do. It just puts power down well. It's just so confident. It puts power down really, really well. You point, you shoot. It gives you great feeling in the steering. There's great feedback here. And you got those big Brembo brakes, so you're confident when you're stopping too. Oh, these curvy roads are perfect for this car. I would just spend a day back here, just going up and down these roads. This would be one hell of a time. The steering feel is great. You know, with electric power steering, you got a lot of cars that really just give you no feedback, but this one, it's nice and heavy, especially in this R plus mode, and it gives you great feedback. And again, you got the Michelin PS4s on these. You know, they give you a lot of confidence in the curves for sure. Go. So there you have it. That's the 2021 Honda Civic Type R. Thanks to Matthew here in Connecticut. He's got this on Turo. You can go check it out. I'll leave a link in the comments. But this is it's a track car that you can go pick up your kids in, pick up your groceries. There's tons of space in the back, tons of space. You know, there's tons of space in the back for people, for kids, for whatever. There's storage in the back. It's a hatchback with a lot of room in there, and it's just a fun car. I mean, people complain about the front wheel drive. It doesn't feel like front wheel drive. Go take this down a windy road, be perfectly happy. You can commute in it. It's got good gas mileage. Just enjoy. It's a hell of a car. Definitely worth a look. Alright, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have a car for me here in Central Connecticut, Jason at manual-cars.com. Otherwise, see you next time.